crazy weatherproofing. Okay, so what do we got here? I love it. So we got back to rag time again. So we got some moisture coming out of my basement wall. So this is not my hydrant leaking. This is the water coming through my wall. And so I just stick this rag in here and that'll stop it. I just love this these rags. We see this a lot. Oh, I got some more pictures of this. You got of this stuff like this. But at least it's a pretty green one. It's camouflage, right? You would never see it. Uh-oh. Hey, hon, where's my underwear? Oh, I had to stop the leak in the basement, hon. Oh, I hope you didn't use my blue pair. Mine's my favorite pair. Well, I'm sorry, honey, but I put it right beside your favorite towel, right beside it. They did. They stuck boxer shorts into this. Boxers. Oh, I imagine the mice will make a nice bed for them right there. Yeah. Boxer shorts. I guess yeah, anything will work in a quick if you needed something quick. All right, here we go. Well, I just run out of your underwear, Troy, so I'm just going to have to use aluminum foil. Thank goodness for the meth heads out here, because that way I can get me a little bit of a foil to stick around there. That's watertight. Of course, once again, my wire going into it, so we got a combination of crazy here. But not only did we put aluminum foil into here, we didn't even put it all the way around it. And what are they thinking? Aluminum foil? I guess they thought that was a good-looking job. It is definitely an interesting job. So what do we got on this next one here? Oh, some more. We got aluminum foil going around. It's tightening it up around my perimeter of my ductwork here. And actually, this is a vent going out for my dryer. And then I just stuck in, well, I guess that we don't need the dryer. We just stick our dirty clothes right in there, and that'll block it off right there. So, hey, if you want to know where that dish towel's at, just run on down the basement. Get you one. It's stuck in the vent. That'll take care of it. And if you need to do a little cooking, grab you some foil. Really, that's it right there. Let's move on to some more. There you go. See, that's the other side of, I believe that's the other side of my divorce cloth. Look at that. Just stuck right through there, just nice and proud. And at least it was a clean cloth, honey. I didn't put in dirty laundry. I put a clean one in there. That's weatherproofing. That is bona fide weatherproofing. Now that is Yankee ingenuity. And the Southern boys, they would get a kick out of that. Oh, here we go. We just didn't have enough rags. We had to do this one right here. And this is some more weatherproofing. And they just stuck this rag right into it, holding it. Rags. I mean, I guess that's one way to use your rags up. I don't, nuts, just nuts. But hey, you know what? At least they're trying to do something. And with that being said, thank you for watching our video. I hope it's not only been educational, but entertaining. And my blessings to you all. Thank you.
Sponsored by Troy Galloway and Galloway Building Services. GallowayBuildingServices.com.